Guess who's back after being gone for way too damn long? And this style right here, I don't know whether it be toxic or timid. Matter of fact, I don't even feel like I need to choose. It's whatever for the evening. This is a look that's going to change your trajectory. Listen to me when I tell you this. I wouldn't lie to you, honestly, truly, but let's get into this. First up, I gotta give credit to Is That Your Hair and Trendykay. This unit looked absolutely gorgeous on them, so I knew I wanted to get my hands on it. When it's Wig Bay approved, it's a no-brainer. Now, this unit did have a bit of an odor to it. It wasn't foul, but it kind of caught me off guard. But they have this MediSafe cap, so perhaps that's part of the reason. But this adjustable elastic band is everything. I love the comb attachments, even though I don't use them, but you might find them pretty functional. Now, this is a big head friendly unit, so I'm in my glory, but I must say that elastic band is very well made, but I do believe it could have been positioned differently so that it doesn't sit directly on top of my ears, because that can become a little bit irritating and possibly cause a headache for some. Just keeping it real. I gotta keep it real with you. With a unit like this, it was so sexy to me. So I knew I was gonna do some customization. This may not be your thing. This is completely optional. I don't believe that it's necessary, but if you are looking to make that hairline even more realistic, I say go all the way. I love going all the way with my synthetic units because it just makes it more me. And y'all be eating it up. And I love when you guys enjoy the looks that I share. Now, you can't tell me that I didn't eat that up, okay? It looks good. And you can envision how that middle part would look if you decided to wear it like that, or even the flip over, which is more subtle but very sexy. I'm feeling it. Before installing my units, I like to trim the lace specifically around the ear tabs because it makes it easier during the install process. Oh yeah, and as you can see, this lace looks 100% ashy. Like, definitely is not the perfect match. It's not transparent. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder to really add a color that creates a more seamless match with my complexion. And I'm going to add a little bit of the hard head spray just to set the powder in place and let it dry for about 5 minutes. Now, the great thing about the hard head spray is when you allow it to dry for about 30 seconds, you can then place it on your head. And after about 30 to 45 seconds of the hard head spray sitting, it will create a very soft melt onto the skin. And that's when you can follow up with the hard head spray right at the hairline. And when the lace is still attached, I strongly recommend creating slits in the hair. It just makes it easier and it keeps it neat. And the Boho Liquid Gold is gold. And when you use that elastic band, I know some of y'all don't like to do this, but this becomes second nature. It doesn't take me long to do this. You just need like 3 minutes to let everything dry down and set, and you're good to go. And you can start trimming your lace. Oh yeah, and to everyone who asked where I've been, I get the feeling we're gonna have a talk. We're gonna have a couple of conversations. Y'all are gonna see a different side of me. I've been talking about this for a minute. I'm someone who just keeps everything pretty much private, but it's a lot going on, and perhaps I'll let y'all in. I'm not gonna keep teasing it and talking about it. We just gonna have the conversation one day. So turn those notifications on, subscribe, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. Even though I've been away, I always come back. I give you something to talk about, and that's what I love. And if I could say something, you know, I'm in this weird place in my life. I'm in such transition. It's like everything all at once. So many things are happening, and things are beginning to fall into place. It took some time. Trust timing with everything. Trust the timing. If you're hearing this, timing is everything. If there's something that you've been waiting for, looking for, it is going to happen at the time that it needs to happen. And I want you to trust that. That's some work that I've had to start doing, and it's really been important for my growth, for my mental health, and just for my anxiety that I sometimes struggle with. And I be getting a little like intimate with y'all. I hope y'all appreciate that. But follow me on Instagram, because one thing about it, she's been a little bit more consistent over there, because who got time to do the long videos? Now, the great thing about hard head spray is, like I said, it really only needs about 2.5 to 3 minutes to fully dry down if you do even layers. If you kind of like do super generous amounts, you can make it a little bit harder for the product to dry evenly, so it may need more time. And I'm not even using a blow dryer. See, what I'm trying to do is make it so that I know how to do my install on a whim. Like, I don't even need a blow dryer. I can make this happen with damn near nothing. Now, to be honest with you, this wig gives me toxic vibes. Like, I could see myself misbehaving in a wig like this. Like, you might see me out and you're like, wow, like Pink looks like she's letting loose. Like, she's a little unhinged tonight. It's giving toxic. And you know what? You might be onto something. And if you see me, just know the vibes. But I like my soft adult swoops. You can do whatever you prefer, but honey, this unit doesn't need much. I found the street with a house in which she's lit. And if you ask about the cardigan, I completely understand. It is by Hooked by Monet. She is a godsend. She is incredibly talented. You need to check for her. This is a custom cardigan that she hooked up for me. And honey, I had to come through with the pink bra to set it off. I just felt like, why not? And this is a Black woman owned business. I love supporting her. She has made several custom pieces for me that I have paid for, every last one of them. I don't ask for discounts. Send me your invoice. You're getting paid. Always pay Black women. We love to see it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this style. Check the links below if you want to get your hands on this. I probably done bought up all of them, but I saved a few for y'all. Check it out. And I hope I see you in the next one. Make sure that you love on yourself. Trust the timing of everything. And I'll see you in the next one.